Welcome back to Spy Garage.
In the world of recreational vehicles, the 2025 Prevost Marathon Motorhome is the pinnacle of luxury and custom craftsmanship. The Marathon conversion turns the idea of mobile living into an art form and is based on the sturdy and elegant Prevost chassis, which is well known for its longevity and smooth ride. This motorhome is a carefully planned, high-tech mobile home that caters to the most discriminating customers. It is more than just a vehicle. The 2025 Prevost Marathon Motorhome's appearance is distinguished by its subtle grace and elegance. The design frequently incorporates slide-outs seamlessly, eschewing ostentation in favor of a classic style that, when stationary, creates spacious internal living areas. A deep, glossy sheen is the consequence of the paint finishes, which are usually multi-layered and applied with accuracy akin to that of an automobile. Functional and aesthetically pleasing integrated lighting systems add to the exterior's elegant appearance. It feels like entering a five-star mobile home when you step inside the 2025 Prevost Marathon Motorhome. The best materials from across the world are used in the custom-designed interiors, which are frequently created in association with famous interior designers. Every surface is adorned with custom textiles, soft leathers, and rich hardwoods, often featuring many living areas, a gourmet kitchen with top-of-the-line appliances, opulent baths with spa-like facilities, and private sleeping quarters. The layout is carefully designed to optimize both space and utility. The 2025 Prevost Marathon Motorhome places a high priority on technological integration. Lighting, climate, entertainment, and security are all managed by sophisticated control systems, which are frequently accessed by user-friendly touchscreens or integrated smart home technology. Cutting-edge audio-visual equipment offer captivating entertainment. These RVs are also designed to be self-sufficient, with strong power management systems, large fresh and wastewater capacities, and frequently onboard generators that can power all of the equipment on board separately. The 2025 Prevost Marathon Motorhome's air suspension system, which is part of the Prevost chassis, makes for a comfortable and smooth ride. Modern driver assistance technologies improve both safety and usability. Premium seating, user-friendly instrumentation, and frequently advanced navigation and communication systems are all features of the ergonomically built cockpit. The 2025 Prevost Marathon Motorhome appeals to people who want the utmost comfort, quality, and customization because it falls into the ultra-luxury market class. Every coach is frequently a one-of-a-kind design that reflects the owner's particular preferences and needs. This motorhome is more than simply a car. It is a representation of opulent mobile living and a statement of tasteful design. Its timeless appeal stems from the way it seamlessly combines unmatched interior luxury with sturdy engineering.